and welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to do a preliminary examination of the health of this night blooming jasmine. Okay, so this is a night blooming jasmine. As you can see, the leaves are very different from the normal jasmine. It's a very hardy plant, usually grown from a graft. Okay, and as you can see, it's in a very hard soil. It does not contain a lot of mulch in it, okay, which is kind of a good thing if you are trying to sell the plant, because usually I've seen the soil that is very grainy or contains a lot of mulch in which the plant is grafted in, and it's shit. Usually what happens, the entire root ball kind of gets loosened out, and that leads to the plant not being able to survive that well, okay, and in most cases it does not survive. The root ball gets disturbed. So it's actually a good thing, but now we have to transplant it to a different part, and this plant also grows really big, and I mean, it's kind of like a small tree. It can go up to that height, but you can definitely train it. So the flowers usually bloom at night, and that's why it's called the night blooming jasmine, and it's quite hardy. Definitely it will have a whole lot of requirement for water, but you can definitely train it, like I was saying, and keep the height short. Okay, I'm first off going to be trying and plant it in my plant it for my balcony garden, that is. Okay, so that's why I will have to make a soil mix that's light and airy, and will also not put a whole lot of weight on my balcony. So that's how I like to do my balcony potted gardening. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, and so we are going to just take a look a little bit. The plant looks kind of healthy with a little bit of a yellowing going on the leaves. Maybe it's just because it's trying to readjust. As you can see, this is the condition of the root. The entire root ball is filled with roots, so it should not go. It's also not loosening up, which is a good thing, like I said, and hopefully it will be able to readjust to the new pot and the new soil mix that I'm going to give. I will be going into the potting session and the soil mix in my next part of this video of planting the night blooming jasmine. But let me tell you one more thing, that usually these plants can go into some kind of a fungal infection on the roots, which can be the reason why your plant did not survive. So remember to watch the next part of the video, okay, because I'm going to show you a little trick, okay, by which you can save this types of plants, which usually look very hardy, will adjust really well, but sometimes it can go into a root rot, but not exactly a root rot, more like a fungal root infection, leading to the plant not being able to survive and so on. This has happened in the past, which is why I thought that maybe this time I would be making a new video about it. Okay, so that you know the trick that I applied to help the plant survive in this case. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the next part of the video. I'll see you guys for more.